Their journey from humble startup to global leader in precision manufacturing exemplifies the impact of innovation, quality, and a steadfast commitment to customer satisfaction. Their legacy continues to shape industries and set benchmarks for excellence in manufacturing. And for the past 40 years, TARUS has proudly called Sterling Heights home. Starting the company out of his garage in 1969, Douglas Greig made use of his talents, building electronic discharge machine parts, laying the groundwork for what would become a full line of EDM machines tailored for mold makers.
From there, we went on and built larger machines, and so then there was a need for us to move to somewhere else, and we chose Sterling Heights. Over the years, we had to expand. We started off with probably 40,000 square feet, and then every year, every 5 years or so, we built another building, and we finally built the biggest building in the back. One other cool thing that my dad had to do with that is we built a train track basically to go between the buildings, just because we needed to be able to ship the bigger equipment back and forth. So that was kind of neat.
Much of TARUS's success comes from a philosophy of self-sufficiency and doing things the right way.
Anytime we wanted a new machine or something, we had to make it. We didn't buy a machine, we made it. One of the things I learned from that, I used to get frustrating at first, like, why are we doing all this here, But over the years, you find out why. You learn about things that you normally wouldn't learn about. You learn how to make things a certain way versus just sending it somewhere else, let them do it, let them figure out how to do it. It just gives you a better knowledge on how to do things in the future. And it might have cost us more money, but again, it taught us things that we wouldn't have learned if we didn't do that.
TARUS's product portfolio is comprehensive, from 5-axis CNC machines to advanced automotive design studio solutions like the clay mill. From coordinate measuring machines essential for quality control, to gun drilling machines used for deep, precise drilling.
Well, right now we're doing what we call a gun drilling machine. It's for water cooling systems for nuclear reactors. So it's a very large machine, has 3 spindles, and has to be very accurate. It's built very rigid because it has to be able to drill with 3 spindles at once. It's pretty interesting because the size of the tube sheets they'll be doing are like 20 feet diameter. The clay model machines, we just keep adding more options. So all that technology, just keep adding a little bit more all the time to improve it.
With a strong local customer base and a global reach, TARUS's commitment to quality means many of their machines, some built as early as the 1970s, are still operational today. A testament to their durability and the company's dedication to excellence.
Because we have done everything in-house and we can easily adapt and modify any type of machinery, that's really helped with our customers because they know they can come to us and say, hey, I need this machine a little bit bigger, I need a little bit smaller. Well, we can react and do that because we're not making, 1,000 of these at a time. We're a little smaller niche market, and that's what I think's been able to help us. And again, making specialized machines just, for what the customer wants really adds value to them, and that's what's kept us as good partners for so long.